Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Learning Classes. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about factors, multiples and prime factors. We are going to learn about factors, multiples and prime factors. In this class we are going to learn about factors, multiples and prime factors. We will be learned separately, okay? Factors and multiples separately. Looks, factors. What is mean by factors of a numbers? A factor is that number which divide a given numbers exactly without leaving any remainder. That means a factor is that number which divide a given number exactly. In other words, for clear understanding, if a number can divide a large number exactly without leaving any remainder, then we can say that a smaller number is a factor of large number. Look, if a number can divide a large number exactly without leaving any remainder, then we can say that a smaller number is a factor of large number. Let's start for better understanding with an example. Look, example. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. How? Because 18 exactly divide by 1, 18 exactly divide by 2 without leaving any remainder, 18 exactly divide by 6, 18 exactly divide by 6, 18 exactly divide by 9, also 18 exactly divide by 18. That's why factor of 18s are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. When we divide 18 by 1, we get 18. 18 by 2, we get 9. 18 by 3, we get 6. Like this, 18 by 6 is 3. 18 by 9 is 2. 18 by 18 is 1. We get 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. That means the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Like this, factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. When we divide 40 by 1, we get 20. When we divide 14 by 2, we get, when we divide 14 by 1, we get 40. 14 by 2, we get 20. 14 by 4, we get 10. That means 14 is exactly divided by 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. That's why all the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. It is clear? Look, now we are going to learn about multiples. What is meant by multiples? A multiple is a number which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder. Multiples is a number which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder. Okay? It is explained with the help of example. Looks, 12 is a multiple of 2 because 12 exactly divided by 2 without leaving any remainder. Like this, more example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Because 20 exactly divided by 5, 15 exactly divided by 5, 10 exactly divided by 5, 5 also exactly divided by 5. That's why 5, 10, 15, 20 are multiples of 5. Okay? Already we have learned factor and multiples. Okay? Now we are going to learn about prime factors. Look, prime factors. What is mean by prime factors? The factors of a number which are prime numbers are known as prime factors. That means the prime factors of a number are known as prime factors. Look, it is explained with the help of example. Look, prime factors. The prime factors of 45 are 3 and 5. How we find out the prime factors? By using the method. Look, 45. 45 is divided by 3. We get 15. 15 also divisible by 3. When we divide 15 by 3, we get 5. 5 now divide by 5. We get 3, 3, 5 and 1. Here among 3, 3, 5 and 1, 3 and 5 are prime factors. That's why the factors of 45, the prime factors of 45 are 3 and 5. Like this, the prime factors of 72 are 2 and 3. How? When we divide by prime factorization method, when we divide 72 by prime factorization method, we get the prime factors are 2 and 3. How? 42 is divided by 2, we get 36. 36 also divisible by 2, we get 18. 18 also divisible by 2, we get 9. 9 now divisible by 3, we get 3. 3 is divisible by 3, we get 2 and 3. That's why prime factor of 72 are 2 and 3. Okay? That means the which factors are prime is known as prime factor. That means the factors of a number which are prime numbers are known as prime factors. Look, for better understanding of prime factor, first we find out all the factors of 45. Look, all the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Okay, all the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Among these factors, prime factors are 3 and 5. Only prime factors are 3 and 5. 9, 15 and 45 are not prime numbers. Prime numbers are only 3 and 5. That's why 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 45. It is clear? Okay.